Mithenya mivuthu itina wa nzama ya Mangavana COG kuweta kana Mangavana maikavikaa nzamani ya mbunge ya Senate ya kuthuima mitumiile ya ilovia cia mwenenthi nthini wa silikali cia kaunti kana CPAC yu munene wa volisi Douglas Kanja niwaikiithisya maseneta kana volisi nimeyumbanitye kukwata na kuete mbee wa nzama ya CPAC Gavana wonthe ula ukulea wito wa kuvika mbee wa yo ainena kavina kala wavika mbee wa komiti ya CPAC Kanja ni waweta kana magavana kuitwa ni Senate na kulea kuvika ni kuthi uvathukano na katiba na gitumini kiu volisi mena mwanya wa kumekia Mbini mwaka umwe unawasiokethia na elivoti.
Na avikite mbee wa nzama ya mbunge ya Senate maunduni ma kukunikila utumiwa ilovia cia mwenenthi nthini wa silikali cia mituko. Inspekta munene wa volisi Douglas Kanja ni walulumilia kana muvea uu wa volisi ni ukwithiwa wimekia Mbini magavana ala mekulia kuvika mbee wa nzama cia mbunge ya Senate kusungia mukulyo unu matumite ilovia cia mwenenthi na vala waweta kana kii ni uvathukanu na mwia kwa magavana kulea kuvika mbee wa Senate ila mathokwa.
The County Public Accounts Committee, in exercising its power under Article 125 of the Constitution, may summon county officials or governors to appear before it to respond to audit queries. In instances where they refuse to comply, the service under the direction of the committee is always ready to arrest and present them before the committee as requested.
When we arrest a person, we are supposed to present them in court within 24 hours. You know, that is what the Constitution dictates. But for this one, being somehow special, we need to have an agreement on when this person needs to, or this witness needs to be presented before the committee.
Senator wa county ya Makueni Kitongama nzona ule vikite kikaloni kini waweta kana mia ya mbunge ni yeleti undu lama thoketwe kuvika mbee wa Senate Maema kuvika malite kwikona na monde siake sie kwa tomba uni senator wa county ya Kitui Enokokio Wambua.
And then after the fine is paid or not paid, automatically the law allows the IG and the systems to kick in. So I believe whatever a cognizable offense is committed, I think the IG should just do their job.
Once offenses are defined in law and there's a breach, then automatically the DCI will move in if the breach is of a criminal nature. And those instances are very, very many, and they are captured, some of them are captured in our audit reports. I think we should now move from theory to reality, to practice.
Mwene kivila wanza maino Moses Kajwani wakulia matambia alama ilite koswa maikidwe ni moswa kuikidhia kana alama atunga ngwe uthukumini wa Senate ni methi wa mayatia miao.
Now therefore catch for us the foxes, the little foxes that ruin our vineyards. These little foxes sit in the Council of Governors, they sit in county governments, they sit in public offices, they sit in state offices. You have dealt with the hardcore criminals. We appreciate you for that. Now, therefore, catch for us the little foxes.
Nilivotia vilingi wa movo nitoa mwaka mweu.